Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled in the cool parish of Clarendon is this magnificent house with 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms designed with love, sitting on 8 acres of prime fertile land. This property is any family or investor's dream. The house is designed beautifully with high ceilings and numerous windows to let all the natural light and cool Jamaican breeze inside. Equipped with walk-in closets, open concept designer kitchen, wraparound veranda, water tanks and water heater, lots of fruit trees, huge yard space, and so much more. The potentials are limitless. Call today to make this dream home your reality. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 65 million or US, $414,200. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.